We just finished walking around the Blueberry Rock. I wish I could take more video. I planned on it. That's why I took my drone with me. But apparently you can't actually fly a drone in Lactobani area because I think there's a small airport around here. But yeah, that's Blueberry Rock. The footage that you have seen about the rocks, the open pit, I don't condone anyone going in there because I don't think it's 100%. But if you can stay safe, take care of yourself, don't ruin the environment, go ahead. Boop. Made it to Blueberry Hill, one of my favorite places. Quick pit stop. We're gonna head to McGillivary Falls maybe after this. But this is one of my favorite places that I recently found. This is my first time coming here in spring. Well, let's hope it stays this quiet in the summer. I've seen a lot of garbage around here, so I don't know, maybe people come here to party and stuff, but I'll definitely do a summer visit here. Absolutely amazing. I don't do the whole trail, I just come park my car and just come here. It's so quiet. And then I leave. Just enjoy my day here. It's time to drink some tea. Get this tea in a thermos and take it to McGillivary Falls and enjoy it over there. So we have finished hiking McGillivary Falls. It took us, I would say, like 2 hours or so. This was our third adventure for today. First we went to Blueberry Rock, where I couldn't get some drone footage. Then we went to Blueberry Hill, and then we came here. In my opinion, if I had to do this again, I would do McGillivary Falls first, because it took a lot of stuff out of us. But all in all, a very good day. If you're doing McGillivary Falls, make sure you follow the trail signs. It splits out into 3 different trails closer to the end. I don't know the names of the other trails. There's like one biking trail, another hiking trail, and then there's a McGillivary Falls trail. Just make sure you follow those signs and you'll be able to enjoy this. This is one of my favorite trails in Manitoba. There are a lot that I love, so I don't know. But yeah, at this one point we started hearing some sounds from the forest, and I was like, that might be a bear, so I stopped recording, I stopped filming. I was like, okay, we should just get out of this little area. I don't know what exactly it was, no idea. So we got out of that area, and after that, it was all fine. Yeah, if you do come here, enjoy. Just enjoy yourself. This is absolutely amazing. Don't come here to just get to the end. Don't come here just to get to the end point or the lookout points. Come here to enjoy the whole trail. It's definitely worth it. There will be more hikes, nature stuff coming soon in Manitoba. Maybe some camping as well. I wasn't able to film me making tea and enjoying that tea, but I think I got a little bit of it, so hope you can enjoy that. Like, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it because it helps me grow. I love constructive criticism, so if there are any things that I can improve on in this videos, please comment it below. See you guys on my next adventures. Peace.